Yes, every game is different. Every game is different, and we have 90 minutes game, and in 90 minutes the game can change so many times. The most important thing is how is your team adapting and adjusting to the situation. And I think I give credit to the boys. All the 2 games, they did well. When things are not going on well, they still stick to the game plan and then try to find a solution to come up top again. And I think they've done well. I agree with you. First game, good first half. Whatever we wanted to see in the first half, we saw everything. In the second half, we dropped a little bit. In the second game, it was vice versa. So for me, I think it depends on the dynamics of the game. So tomorrow will not be different. Tomorrow we are expecting the same situations coming, being positive for us, also being negative for us. It's important for us to stick to our game plan and then make sure we cross the line. At the end of the 90 minutes, we get what we want.